Hello friends, in this video we will look at how to group the control inside a group box. So the tag used here are FieldSet and Legend. So using these two tags we can create a group box in HTML5 forms. The FieldSet tag groups the controls in HTML5 forms. Whatever control we place within the field set is contained inside the group box. So first we mark the content with a field set. Then inside the field set we will place multiple control elements, or the input elements, or we can say the control elements. So then all these controls together forms a field set, which means together forms a group box. The legend tag specifies the group title. When browser renders the content, it shows a rectangle box and a title defined by the legend tag. So the field set is to show here rectangle blocks, and the controls contained within the field set will be displayed or rendered inside the rectangle box. The legend is used to specify a title for that rectangle box. So these two together forms a group box. So here is an example. Here we grouped two controls, and you can see there are two input tags here. We grouped these two controls, username and password, under a group using a field set tag. So if you see the outer shell, which is a field set, and we set a style attribute with 400 pixel. Inside that we specified two controls. Of course we specified a label, username, password. Then we specified two input control. One is type text and another one is type password. Then we provided a title for this field set, and the title name is login. The legend is given as login. That means that is the title given to this group box. And when a browser renders it, it will renders the controls like this. So you will see login. Inside that group box you will see username and password input fields. Let us see this in IE. So as already told, this is the form. Here we have two field set. The first one is login, which contains two input field. One is username and another one is a password. Next we defined one more field set, and this time we gave a width as 800 pixel, and this time we provided a width as 800 pixel. The legend for this group box is comment the article. Inside that we placed a text area. So whatever you saw in the previous video, that we kept here as a example. Alright, now let us execute this in HTML5. Let us execute this in IE. Alright, now let us execute this in IE. And if you see here, this is how it is displayed in Internet Explorer. Let us display the same thing in Google Chrome. So we'll get somewhat thicker borders. So you can see username, password is password, then user comment none, then a blank space. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.